Cooking doesn't have to be a hassle when you have the right tools in your kitchen. In this video, I'm sharing 20 Amazon kitchen essentials that can make your time in the kitchen easier and more efficient. I have listed the best options for everything from tools to gadgets that help with prepping, cooking, and cleaning. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Let's get started. KitchenAid Grain and Rice Cooker. Integrated scale and water tank ensure precise cooking by automatically calculating the water-to-grain ratio, making meal prep effortless. With 21 preset options, explore a variety of grains, beans, and more. The steamer basket lets you multitask, steaming ingredients while cooking below. An intuitive touchscreen simplifies operation, giving access to versatile cooking modes for healthier meals. Its sleek design and smart features redefine convenience in preparing grains, rice, and beans. FullStar Vegetable Chopper. Chop, dice, and slice with ease using this time-saving kitchen essential featuring rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades. Its soft grip handle and non-skid base provide stability and comfort during use. The built-in catch tray keeps your workspace clean and mess-free, while the dishwasher-safe design ensures quick cleanup. Ideal for meal prep, it effortlessly handles various veggies like potatoes, tomatoes, and carrots. A perfect tool for healthier, hassle-free cooking. Soito French Fry Cutter. Engineered with a robust stainless steel blade, this cutter slices potatoes, carrots, and more into perfect strips with minimal effort. Its extended ergonomic handle ensures easy operation, while the spacious cutter box accommodates large potatoes without pre-cutting. Ideal for creating homemade fries, veggie sticks, and more, it's a convenient addition to any kitchen. Durable and efficient, it's perfect for anyone seeking quick, precise cuts. New England Stories Revolving Spice Rack. Maximize space with this compact spice organizer, featuring a 360-degree rotating base for easy access to 20 jars. Pre-printed and customizable labels keep your spices organized, while the included funnel simplifies refilling. Constructed with durable stainless steel, its stable design ensures longevity and wobble-free use. A stylish and practical solution to declutter countertops and keep seasonings within reach, it blends function with elegance. Etexity Food Kitchen Scale. Achieve precise measurements with high-accuracy sensors and a sleek LCD display. This multifunctional tool includes a temperature sensor and timer for added convenience. Its detachable stainless steel bowl simplifies mixing and pouring, while the compact design fits any kitchen decor. With units ranging from grams to pounds, it's perfect for cooking, baking, and portion control. Durable and modern, it's an indispensable kitchen companion. Philips Pasta and Noodle Maker. Prepare fresh pasta in 18 minutes with automated kneading and extrusion. 3 default shaping discs allow you to make spaghetti, penne, and fettuccine, while customizable recipes expand your culinary creativity. Compact and user-friendly, it's perfect for everyday use. Designed for efficiency and versatility, it elevates homemade pasta making, delivering consistent, high-quality results with minimal effort. Kusac Smokeless Grill. Enjoy indoor barbecues with a smoke-free design that uses turbo smoke extractor technology. The W heating tubes ensure fast, even cooking, delivering juicy steaks with authentic grill marks. An ultra-clear LED display offers precise temperature control, while the non-stick, dishwasher-safe components make cleanup effortless. Compact and versatile, it's ideal for grilling anytime, anywhere, from condos to parties. ClearSpace Soda Can Organizer. Efficiently organize your fridge or pantry with stackable organizers holding up to 12 cans each. Their durable, clear design provides quick access to beverages, maximizing storage space while keeping items neatly arranged. Versatile and practical, they're perfect for refrigerators, pantries, or countertops, ensuring a clutter-free kitchen. A must-have for maintaining order and convenience. Chefman Electric Kettle. Boil water rapidly with variable heat settings and a tricolor LED system indicating standby, heating, or keep warm modes. The included tea infuser enables efficient loose-leaf tea preparation. Cordless design ensures portability, while the swivel base offers mess-free pouring. With user-friendly features and sleek aesthetics, it's a versatile tool for hot beverages and kitchen tasks. Utensil Automatic Pan Stirrer. Hands-free stirring simplifies cooking with 3 speed options for soups, sauces, and more. The heat-resistant nylon legs are safe for non-stick cookware and dishwasher-friendly. Battery-operated and cordless, it's easy to use and portable. Designed to save time and effort, this innovative tool is perfect for multitasking in the kitchen. Chef'n Citrus Juicer. Effortlessly squeeze out 20% more juice from lemons and limes with its innovative dual-gear mechanism that minimizes hand fatigue. Built with durable nylon and stainless steel, it ensures longevity and performance. Perfect for the kitchen or bar, it simplifies juicing for recipes and cocktails. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe handles, this tool makes juicing quick and mess-free, ensuring convenience and efficiency in your daily cooking or entertaining routine. Oxo Good Grips Egg Separator. Raised edges make cracking eggs a breeze, while the design prevents drips and keeps shells out of your mix. Its comfortable, non-slip grip fits securely on almost any bowl, ensuring smooth separation of yolks and whites. Ideal for baking, cooking, or meal prep, this tool simplifies the process and keeps your counters mess-free, making it an essential for any kitchen enthusiast or professional chef. Ugagaf Taco Holders Set. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these holders keep tacos upright to prevent filling spills during preparation and serving. Ingenious triangular design allows double-sided use. One side holds 3 tortillas, the other 2. Stackable for easy storage, they're perfect for grilling, baking, or creating delicious tacos, sandwiches, or even desserts. Dishwasher safe and durable, these holders are a must-have for parties, camping, or everyday family meals. Or blue spaghetti pasta measure. Accurately portioned dry pasta for 1 to 4 servings with its rust-resistant stainless steel construction. Simplify meal prep by using the clearly sized holes to gauge portions, saving time and reducing waste. Compact, durable, and dishwasher safe, this gadget is ideal for chefs, dieters, or anyone aiming for perfectly measured pasta every time. A kitchen essential that ensures efficiency and portion control with every use. Dream Farm Pizza Scissors. Slice effortlessly through thick crusts or flatbreads with sharp stainless steel blades. A built-in spatula shoe protects pans and doubles as a server, ensuring mess-free cutting and serving. Heat-resistant up to 400 Fahrenheit, these scissors include a safety lock and dishwasher-safe design for convenience. Perfect for deep dish pizzas or gourmet creations, they deliver clean slices without damaging non-stick surfaces, making them a must-have for pizza lovers. Oxo Avocado Slicer. Split, pit, and slice avocados effortlessly with a versatile design that simplifies prep. A stainless steel pitter removes pits with a single twist, while the slicer extracts fruit into 7 even pieces. The soft, non-slip grip ensures comfort during use, and its dishwasher-safe construction offers easy cleanup. Perfect for avocado toast, guacamole, or salads, this tool streamlines your kitchen tasks with efficiency and precision. Farberware Pump Spinner. Rinse and dry produce effortlessly with a one-handed pump mechanism and brake button for easy operation. The spacious 6.65-quart bowl and 5.25-quart basket cater to large families, doubling as a colander and mixing bowl. Designed for convenience, it simplifies healthy meal prep while minimizing mess. Whether washing greens, fruits, or berries, this spinner delivers speed, versatility, and durability, becoming a go-to for fresh, clean produce. Joseph Adjustable Measuring Spoon. Measure both wet and dry ingredients effortlessly with a sliding handle that adjusts volume from 1 to 15 milliliter. Clear measurement indicators ensure accuracy, while its compact, dismantleable design makes cleaning simple. Dishwasher safe and space efficient, this tool brings precision and convenience to baking and cooking. Ideal for any kitchen, it streamlines tasks with its innovative, easy-to-use functionality, reducing clutter without compromising versatility. Feppo Mini Bag Sealer. Seal and cut bags with ease using its dual-function heads, keeping food fresh and reducing waste. No preheating required. Simply press and slide for an airtight seal. Compact and portable with a magnetic strip and lanyard, it's easy to store or carry. Perfect for snacks, produce, or leftovers, this gadget prevents air exposure for longer-lasting freshness. An essential for busy households or on-the-go lifestyles. Dash Egg Bite Maker. Prepare sous vide-style egg bites, mini cheesecakes, or custards quickly and easily. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for small spaces, dorms, or RVs. Designed for meal preppers and various dietary lifestyles, it delivers up to 12 grams of protein per serving. With non-stick silicone molds and straightforward operation, this appliance ensures delicious results in minutes. A sleek design makes it a stylish, practical addition to any kitchen. That's a wrap on our list of 20 Amazon kitchen essentials that are guaranteed to make your cooking experience smoother, faster, and way more enjoyable. From gadgets that save time to tools that bring out your inner chef, these picks are here to transform your kitchen game. Ready to upgrade your culinary arsenal? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends, and hit that subscribe button. Don't miss the bell icon. Your key to staying in the loop with all our latest tips, reviews, and must-have finds.